Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of January. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Cancerians for the last 15 days of January. The Chariot jumped out. Let's see what's there for Cancerians. The Nine of Wands, the Seven of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, okay, the Four of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Six of Cups, the Devil, the Nine of Swords, and the Ten of Cups. Excuse me. Ace of Wands, Four of Swords, the Magician, and the Fool. Okay. Seven of Swords. Okay. So Cancerians, with the Nine of Wands, the Seven of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles, what I feel is there is a situation which you are trying to stand your ground on, or you are waiting for the results and struggling in a situation definitely, and you're trying to balance it and sort it out in some way. So there is a situation in which you are struggling and trying to restore balance in the situation. It's been since a long time that you are struggling in a situation to restore balance in the situation. Whatever the situation is, it's been a long time. Either you are waiting for something, maybe you are not getting the results, though you are working very hard to restore the balance in a situation. And this is the Four of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, and the Knight of Pentacles. What I am getting here is that though you are trying to restore balance or trying to keep the balance or save this relationship, okay, so since a long time you've been struggling to save this relationship or keep it in a situation that it can continue, but with the Four of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, what I feel is that you feel left out in the cold, you feel rejected. It is definitely a relationship over here, it is a family, it is a committed relationship. But what I feel here is that just hold on. You know what? The thing is, your efforts are definitely not being rewarded, that is for sure. Whatever you work hard, you are working hard for this connection. I really don't, but it's the Four of Wands and the Five of Pentacles, somehow I am feeling, I don't know why I don't want to say that, but still I have to say it. For some of you at least, what I feel, it is as if you've been asked to leave this house, literally. Actually, you are being asked to leave this house, sort of. I don't know why I'm getting this first, maybe, I don't know. Okay, or it can be just the energy that you are working hard to restore the balance of this family, of this connection, of this relationship, but you feel rejected every time you put an effort into it. Every time you are rejected, you really see it's like so unrewarding, and you really don't see any fruits out of it. Okay, it's something like that. Or maybe actually literally some of you are sort of forced to move out of the house, and what I'm actually getting is somebody here is rejoicing and feeling very happy, and you are moving out, you or them, whosoever. So somebody is actually literally leaving this mansion or this family or this house or this abundance, whatever this commitment is. It can be actually moving out, or it can be energetically that no matter how much you are struggling to keep this relationship in shape, every time it is, you feel rejected and ignored, no matter how much you work on it. With the Knight of Pentacles being there and the Page of Pentacles, obviously it's sort of the movement is the result, or whatever it is stability, love, connection, whatever it is too slow, it's too less. The Knight of Pentacles, it's very very slow. It's, though it may be there, but it's just not enough, sort of. With the Page of Pentacles, there is a little bit of investment, or whatever it is, I don't know. What I feel here is it is you are not getting rewarded in any way. And here with the Two of Swords, the Six of Cups, the Devil and the Nine of Swords, you are trying to take a decision on getting back to your happy memories or happy times. You want your happy times back. And with the Two of Swords, the Devil and the Nine of Swords, this situation is causing you a lot of anxiety, lot of tension, and you are trying to take a decision, because it's not that easy for you. With the Devil being there, it is something that it is a situation which keeps on happening up again and again, perhaps. And no matter, as I said, no matter how much you try, every time you are rejected, every time you are turned down. It can be as simple as that also, that every time you make an effort to restore this relationship or keep the balance of this relationship or keep this relationship going, every time you are rejected. It's something like that. And here with the Devil and the Nine of Swords and Two of Swords, you are trying to take a decision over here to get back your happiness, though it is not really easy for you. Maybe you are actually addicted also to the situation. It's not easy for you to leave the situation for some reason, perhaps. Or it is the Devil, maybe that it's not easy for you to come out of it. Can be that. Or it can be that it is happening again and again. Okay, but here what I feel is with the Six of Cups, the Devil and the Nine of Cups, following it we have the Ten of Cups, the Ace of Wands. Okay, I don't know which one was before. Anyway, so we have the Seven of Swords, the Four of Swords, the Magician and the Fool. So definitely I would like to say is that this is what you want. You want your happy times back. You want a happy life for yourself. You want a committed relationship. You want a new beginning. And the thing here is with the Seven of Swords and the Four of Swords, this is something which is going on behind the scenes, a sneaky behavior of someone which you really don't want to deal with. Okay. You want a new beginning for yourself. That is what you are trying to take a decision on over here with the Two of Swords. Okay. That is for sure. And you are actually getting a new beginning also in that direction. With the Seven of Swords and the Four of Swords, this is the activity because of which you are so stressed out, and you are not getting the results of whenever you are trying to restore the balance, because this person is a sneaky person, a cheater, or there is some sort of deception which is going on. With the Four of Swords, now you are just done with it. You just want to come out of it. You are just focusing on your healing. And with the Magician and the Fool card being there, you are definitely ready for a new beginning in your life. That is the decision which you are taking, and the decision is you want your happiness, you want a new beginning, and which is you are getting. You are done with dealing with this cheating energy. and you are manifesting definitely with the Magician and the Fool card. You are ready for a new beginning, even if it requires to start from the scratch. Okay, so you are ready to take the leap of faith and move on with life. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Cancerians. Nine of Hearts, emotional excess. Lot of emotional excess, or what I see here is a lot of crying has happened in this situation. Lot of tears have been shed in this situation. Okay, let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Open your heart. Number 6 may be of some significance for you. Open your heart. Allow love to grow and bloom all around you. You waited for this emotionally fulfilling experience for such a long time, and now the time has come. Make your choices by listening to your heart and then following the steps you're guided to take. Joy will lead you to a vibrant and a healthy life. So this is what you're getting, the 10 of Cups, the new beginning, and that is what you deserve. So Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.